The scariest thing every trader could ever think about is trading when the market's not technically open, right? So on binary options, right? On binary options, there is something called a simulated market, right? Where the market's not live, the market's not open, but you can still trade. You can still get some trades in, you can still make money on your live account. And today I want to trade live for you guys. I want to go over what it's like trading on an over-the-counter market, aka OTC. Let's see what happens. The goal is to take this $27 account to about $100 within the next hour. Let's see what we can make happen. So this is what I'm looking at. As you guys can see, we have $27 in this account and the market's not live. Today's Saturday morning right now, well, Saturday afternoon. And I'm gonna see what I could get going here. You know, I got my little stochastics up, you know, marking up the charts on pocket option. If you don't have a binary broker right now, you're gonna wanna go in the description of this video and make an account with pocket option, because pocket option is actually pretty good. You know, you can withdraw whenever you want. You know, there's no issues, no complaints. Let's see what we got here. Let's see what we got. Okay, we might get some push up, but I won't get in for a buy yet. Won't get in for a buy yet. I'm waiting on that cross on the stochastic. I think it might still be pulling back. Let's look at a lower time frame. Okay, so the 1 minute is telling me go. I'll wait for this thing to pull back a little more before I jump in. Got a few seconds left on this candle. Let's see what we get. Oh, damn, it left us. It's leaving us. Sheesh. Actually might pull down at this point. Let's see. If we get a nice breakout, this is gonna be lit. That could have been a pullback for a better sell, but I need to wait for, you know, some confirmation before I can make a move here. Yeah, I think I like the sell. I think I like the sell, guys. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Let me see how the next candle opens. All right, we jumped in. Let's see what happens. Not getting much movement on the market right now. It's just consolidating around an entry. It's all good. Okay, we're in profits. All right, we're sitting deep in profits, guys. Sitting deep in profits. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go on a Saturday. Okay. Sheesh. Fight. This looks pretty good. This looks pretty good. We got the cross down on the minute. This thing should come down. Yeah, we got some space. We got some space. Should be good in this trade. I'm gonna start looking for something else. Oh yeah, this thing is long gone. This thing is long gone. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, we got the win there. Let's go. Let's throw on a moving average real quick. All right, so according to the moving average, you know, we like ourselves. Let's go back to the 3 minute. See if we're getting an opportunity here. Nope, market's still selling off. Let me increase my risk now to 350, because pretty much what I'm doing is I want to stack my trades. Yeah, this baby is dropping. All right, if I could get a candle closure here. You know, let me come down to the 1 minute. If I could get a candle closure here, like breaking the structure, I'll jump in again. All right, I'm gonna cut my time. Now I'll hold the 3 minutes. All right, boom, we're back in it again. I don't know if this thing pulls up. I don't know how high, but I'm pretty much banking on this thing is gonna keep pulling down, because we have a lot of space to come down right now. Like right now we're ranging. We got a lot of space, so I'm really looking for those sells. See, this is why I give it 3 minutes, because it gives it time to like consolidate and figure out what it wants to do. The 3 minute chart is saying that it's still got space. We are about to be 3-0. Sheesh. Oh my gosh. Smacking the charts on a Saturday is wild. This is insane. Just absolutely destroying the market. Like, I don't even want to take any more chances. I want to just take the money and go. Like, yeah, I know it's not a lot of money, where this is like an account that I found that I had access to, and I just wanted to play some games with this, you know, see if I can flip it, see how high we can go. Boom. And just like that, that is another win in our pockets. So far we're up $7, $5, sorry. We're up $5 so far. Let's see if we could get another opportunity. So we see that Bollinger Bands are stretching, but I don't go by that. I go based off of market structure and smart money. Once the structure tell me that direction is changing, then I'll adjust fire. Right now, we're looking pretty good. We're looking pretty good, guys. I don't feel comfortable taking any more sells right now because there's not a lot of space here. There's not a lot of space at all. So I'd rather hold off and wait. I'd rather a bigger pullback on the upside. Looks like things are starting to turn around on the 1 minute though. Candles are getting smaller. We're starting to get that cross up. This could be an opportunity for a buy, but I'm gonna hold off. It's not in my buy zone yet. Market's very bearish right now. Man, that thing took off. Yo, that thing is still pushing. All right, look like we're on buys now. Market changed. If I can get a nice pullback, looking for 679. Might not go up there. All right, this thing is gone. This thing is gone. This baby is gone. You want to be patient. You want to be patient. You want to just jump in. See? Check that out. Massive pullback. Might get a turnaround right here. Hesitated. That's why you don't hesitate. Well, we hesitated. We missed that entry. Knew it was going to just tank. But I didn't pull the trigger. We would have been super lit right now. I got the range marked up on the screen. I'm actually going to update this range a little bit because I believe that this range is actually here. Nah, it's not a good sell right here according to the 3-minute chart. So I'm not going to sell just yet. I think I might be too high on, I might be too low for the sell here. Could be wrong, but let's see. What's the 1 minute telling us? Oh yeah, the 1 minute actually wants to sell. Damn it. Yeah, this is real fast, guys. Holy crap. Let's see what it wants to give us here. We have 20 seconds left on this candle. Not sure what it's trying to do. It looks like the stochastic is trying to give us a buy. That's why I'm a little hesitant here. The stochastic is stuck in the center, so literally any way can go. So that's why I'm like, yeah, I don't want to jump in if I'm not sure. But it is a heavily supported area, so that's why I don't want to just jump in, because I know if it sells, it might not be for long. So I want to play the safer game here. We're coming into a heavily supported area. We do have higher highs and higher lows. Oh wait, let me go down. Let me go up actually to the 3 minute. Yeah, scratch that. It is a downtrending market currently. You see, look at that. The market's pushing up. I knew it was going to push up at some point because of the area that it's sitting at. I didn't want to get caught in a reversal. But at the same time, the stochastic is telling me not to buy yet. So it could just be pulling up just for a better sell, you know, because it hit that heavily supported area. And it is a downtrending market. Yep, it broke the high, so I'm not touching that sell yet. We got the cross on the stochastic. We finally got that cross. So let's see what happens. This thing might be buying, boys. Might be buying. Although I would have won my sells, better to play it safe than sorry, right? Let's see what it does here. It could drastically push up, but I'm not taking buys until it actually breaks structure. All right, here we go. And thank God I didn't take a sell, right? All right, we got that big push up on the stochastic. All I need now is just a little bit of a pull down to that middle band, and I'll look to take this buy here. Let's look at what the 3 minute is showing us. Yep, same thing on the 3. Just need a little bit of a pullback. If I could get it down to 767 at least, that'll be good grounds. This thing's moving fast. I'm gonna jump in. because this thing is just continuously just pushing up. It's not giving us a chance to get in, and especially that it broke that structure here. I truly believe it's going to drive all the way up to this zone, this sell zone that I have here. But let's see what happens. We are in, we are still in profit for the day. There's a decent amount of space on the stochastic. There's a decent amount of space on market structure. So I truly believe this could be a win, but the market has a mind of its own. So we'll see what happens. All right, on the next candle, stochastic is giving me a little bit of a scare. Yeah, this is not looking good. This is looking like a loss right here, guys. Got in a little too early. Maybe we could get lucky and this thing could just push up, give us the win, and then I'll be done for the day. Forget the challenge. Yeah, this is a loss, guys. 4 seconds. Yeah, there's no way. Yeah. All right, we took an L with that one. Yeah, I actually don't know where this thing is planning to go anymore. Like, it's just stuck in between these same zones. It's not really giving us anything. Yeah, no. 74% isn't worth it anymore. We need to be on this chart. So I'm gonna look for something else. All right, we moved on to GBP JPY. Formed the Quasimodo right here. Boom, got the nice sell-off. Breaking structures to the downside. We might get a decent sell-off here. I'm not sure. Let me double check the... I should have double checked the 1 minute before I took that trade. But we could possibly get a pullback for a buy here. All right, if I lose this one, I'm out for the day. Yeah, this is not looking good. I actually do believe it'll pull back for a buy. But I need this thing to set up. I need this thing to actually pull back. We got 2 minutes left in this. If it does pull back to the place that I'm thinking, probably gonna take that buy. I need it to pull back a little lower than that. I'm hoping it pulls back lower than that. So I'm literally looking for it to pull back to the freaking moving average. If it could do that, I could definitely take that buy. I'm hoping it doesn't shoot up now. Let us win this trade in 40 seconds and then catch the buy. But I'm looking for 750. If I could get 750, yeah, no, 750 is actually too close. It might go lower than that because it just hit a consolidated point. So what it might do, it might actually just range in this area until it breaks structure. So I'm actually gonna wait and see if it breaks structure, then I could take a position on this. I want to see which direction it'll break structure. So if it breaks it on the upside, I'll take buys. If it breaks it on the low side, I'll take sells. So I'm looking for it to break and close above 129. If that happens, I'll just take buys. If it goes opposite way, I'll take sells, obviously, because this is a very decision based zone right here. All right, it's looking pretty close. Looking for that candle closure within the next 20 seconds to see where it's going. All right, looks like it's broken the liquidity. Boom, looking for the candle closure and a nice little pullback to that 125, and I can take the buy from there. Oh shoot, did I just miss it? Oh, that's crazy. Oh, I literally just missed it. I was looking at the wrong numbers. All right, I'm gonna jump in right there, see what happens. If it tanks, it is what it is. But I believe this thing might push because it broke the structure, it closed above, and there it is, off to the races. Still more space for the buy. Yep, there it goes. So like I said, we have a lot of space for this thing to make up on the buy side. So I truly believe it'll stay above. Okay, we got a little over a minute left on this. We still got another 200 points of space, and this thing is holding out those buys right now. 45 seconds left, and this thing is still pushing up to exactly where I said it would go. So this is looking very nice right now. This is looking very nice. It's a very nice buy, very nice setup, and we got 30 seconds left. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Like, yeah, it's exciting, you know, but I'm trading with very low amount of money. But, you know, I just want to play the game and see if I could flip this account and see what we can do with this account, see what we can do here. You know, OTC is not real, like market movement is simulated, but the money is real, you know. So imagine I was playing with bigger numbers, and we got that win there, and it pushed right to where I said it would. So now I can look for on the next candle to see how this thing closes. If I get the cross down, we could probably pull it down a little bit, but it is getting a lot of momentum, so I'm not even gonna sell yet. If it does close above, which it just did, we should be able to actually buy more, but I would rather wait for a pullback before I buy. I would like a nice pullback before I buy, but it didn't give it to us. Well, it gave it, but I just missed it. Oh wait, it's giving it to us again, but it looks like the market's gonna turn around. That's why I'm kind of hesitating on this buy. Let's see, need a 3 minute. Nope, the 3 minute still says pushing up. Ooh, wow. I might have gotten I might have gotten in a little too late. Might have gotten a little too late, man. Sheesh. Okay, well, we got 3 minutes on this. Let's see what happens. This market is moving so fast right now. Sheesh. This is crazy. This is why we like binary options. Like, whatever happens, happens. After this, I'm gonna just get off because it's been a lot of excitement today, and this market is just moving right now. This market is just moving. Let's see. Let's look at a higher time frame to see exactly how much space I got on this one. Wow, this market is volatile right now. Well, if it keeps pushing up, I do have a lot of space to be in this. 198. But this thing is moving so volatile right now at this moment. We still got about a minute and 45 seconds left on this trade. See what happens. You know what, man? What happens, happens. I'm gonna be happy with whatever, you know, comes out of this. This thing is like now tanking. Like, this is insane how fast this market's moving right now. This is insane. Still got about a little under a minute and a half to clear this trade. You know, we're here hoping and praying that it goes back. Oh man, this is gonna be a close one. I do believe it's gonna buy. I do believe buys are still legit right now. It's not about what I believe. It's all about what the market wants to do. And we got 50 seconds coming into this right now. Hoping the market don't play us. Come on, you grab that bottom liquidity. We're not getting real cross downs. Come on, let's go. Let's go. The 1 minute is giving me a turnaround, but we don't have any crosses yet. We still got 20 seconds left in this. We could still win this. We're off to the races right now. Sheesh, yo, this is crazy. Okay. I'm playing with my feelings now, market. Okay, we got 8 seconds. 5. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be a loss. This is a loss. Nice. We took the L on that one. We took the L. And just like that, I'm gonna just secure this with just a $5 profit today. You know, this has been freaking crazy. The market just got real crazy. It just got super volatile out of nowhere. I would say I probably taken that buy a little prematurely. I should have waited for the proper pullback. I kind of just took a breakout entry there, and it didn't pay out. It didn't pay off, guys. You know, we got to be patient. We got to be patient. We got to be patient, and the market will come to us. The market will, you know, give us our profits. Now let's look at how much time I have left on this clock. I have 10 minutes left on the clock. We did not reach the mark. Nowhere close, right? But what we're gonna do is we're gonna come back Saturday again next week, and we're gonna see what we can do. We're gonna see what we can do. We still listen. You can never go broke taking profits. You can never go broke taking profits. And I took a $5 profit today. Took a $5 profit. You know, profit is profit, man. We're gonna flip this account and we're gonna see what we're getting. You know what? Maybe I might just come back tomorrow. I might just come back tomorrow and see what we can do on a Sunday OTC markets. But this is what we're doing, guys. Trading is real. Trading is not gambling. You know, if you learn the skill, you learn the basics, you stick to your plan, you will make the profits. If we're playing with bigger numbers, it'd be bigger results, bigger profits, and maybe I would have just taken a withdrawal right now. So with that, I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for hopping on.